Whoa. That was a close one. I have got my XK A300 StaggerWing out here again today. I think this is the last test flight that I'm going to have to perform. I did replace the control horns on the ailerons and straighten those out a bit since the servos I'm using are wider. So this should actually give me more movement on the aileron control surfaces. So let's see how that goes. All right, launching. Takes right off. All right, we're in full stabilize mode right now. All right, let's see here. Just curious. Ooh, that might be a little bit better. All right, let's come through here and see what a right roll looks like. Ooh. All right, let's try that in the other direction. Oh yeah. that is awesome. I've got some tuning to do now that I've changed my linkage again, but is that awesome or is that awesome? I have an excellent roll rate now. All right, that's what I was looking for. That is absolutely awesome. I got a little bit of trim work to do, a little bit of tuning to do, but as far as the modifications that I need to do to this plane, I am complete. No, I don't think any more modifications are going to be required, other than I'm still waiting on my other ESCs to show up, because I would really like to test this out on 3S as well as 2S. I'm really happy with the power it has on 2S. And my guess is on 3S it's going to really be a ripper, yeah. So I definitely want to try that. But yeah, good power on 2S, isn't it? I mean, it does these aerobatics with quite a bit of authority, yeah. Quite a bit of authority. Now let's see here. Oh yeah, we can do Immelmanns now. We've got a roll rate that allows us to do Immelmanns now. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Those are easy to do now. That we got that kind of roll authority on it now. Look at that. That is epic. I am really having a blast with this plane now. As soon as I receive my ESCs on that I have on order, so I can install those in this plane, I will create a, not a tutorial, it's not going to be a tutorial, but I will create an informational video that shows everything that I did to get this plane converted and flying the way it's flying. With the components that I used in this project. Okay, I'm getting at the end of my timer. I got my timer set for 5 minutes during this flight. I'm really happy that I got even, there we go, I'm really happy that I got even more aileron movement out of it. I've got an even better roll rate now. Now flying around and performing Immelmanns. Immelmanns is just a, oh, rocks everywhere. Performing Immelmanns now is just a piece of cake. I couldn't even, when I first started with this plane, you know, when it was stock, I couldn't even perform a roll with it. That's how lethargic the aileron control was, the roll authority was. Couldn't even perform a roll with it. now not only am I performing rolls and split S maneuvers and hammerheads, but also Immelmanns. Great roll authority. Alright, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.